Hi friends, I'm Sangeeta. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about the benefits of vitamin C for your skin. Vitamin C has multiple benefits for your skin. If you use vitamin C products for your skin on a daily basis, then your skin will stay hydrated for really long. It will boost the brightness of your skin. It will reduce redness if you have any dark spots and pigmentation on your skin. It will reduce that as well, and it will save your skin from sun damage and sunburn. Now, vitamin C promotes collagen production on your skin, because of which if you use vitamin C products on a daily basis, it will slow down your aging process. Let me tell you about the two products that I am using from Wow Skin Science that are helping me include vitamin C in my skincare regime. So first, I use the Wow Skin Science Brightening Vitamin C Face Wash. It helps me brighten my skin tone, fade age spots and reduce fine lines. It is suitable for dull, tired and aging skin. This paper tube, which contains 100 ml of the face wash, is priced at Rs 249. Some of the key ingredients present in this face wash are mulberry extract, hyaluronic acid, licorice extract, vitamin C, lemon essential oil, orange essential oil, and a lot more. This is the second type of packaging which I have. So this one is a 150 ml bottle along with the silicone brush on the top, which will help you remove the dead skin cells. Also, it helps in massaging the skin, so it improves the blood circulation. And the third one, which I showed you in the demo, is the pump bottle, which contains 200 ml of this face wash. It is priced at Rs 399. After that, I use the vitamin C face serum 20%, which is an oil-free serum by Wow Skin Science. Some of the key ingredients of this face serum are vitamin C, witch hazel, hyaluronic acid, purified water, butylene glycol, and a lot more. I really love how beautiful the packaging is. This serum is priced at Rs 699 for 30 ml of the product. I just pump in 3 to 4 drops of this serum on my hand and just pat it into my skin and get it absorbed. It is suitable for all skin types. These two products are free from any harmful chemicals like parabens, sulfates, silicone, mineral oil, and also synthetic color. Best part about Wow Skin Science products are they are dermatologically tested, they are cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan, and they are born in the Himalayas. And another thing that I must mention to you is that whenever you purchase any Wow Skin Science products, then make sure to scan the QR code. This will help you to know more about the product. So you will get to know that the product that you have purchased is authentic or not. So I will leave purchase link of these two products in the description below. Also do check out the Buy Wow app, and I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.